Communities all over the United States depend on an abundant and unpolluted supply of groundwater. For years, we have believed these underground supplies of water were safe. But dangerous levels of contaminants are showing up in more and more drinking water wells. We blame landfills, storage tanks, or surface spills, and completely overlook one source of pollution. This floor drain, which discharges contaminants to the ground, and other shallow disposal systems like it, can wipe out an entire community's water supply. Most facilities which manufacture a product or provide a service use industrial chemicals and generate toxic wastewater. And sometimes they use a floor drain, a septic system, or a storm drain to get rid of chemical spills and process waste. The problem with shallow disposal systems is that they provide little or no treatment to products on the market today, which contain hazardous chemicals and heavy metals. When businesses like manufacturers, service stations, photo or print shops pour industrial chemicals down the drain, the untreated contaminants percolate into the soil and may eventually reach saturated rock formations or aquifers, which contain our drinking water supplies. Many aquifers also provide water to surface water supplies. This means that shallow disposal systems pose a threat to rivers, streams, and most of our natural lakes. Because this is a problem of national scale, Congress passed the Safe Drinking Water Act in 1974, so every state would have an underground injection control, or UIC program, to protect water supplies from shallow disposal systems and other kinds of injection wells. Yet almost a quarter of a century later, shallow disposal systems still endanger water resources. Why? Let's look at 3 communities in different parts of the country to see why legislation alone can't protect a water supply.